Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage student loans with Navient step by step clearly. To begin managing your student loans with Navient, visit their official website. Create an account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Here you will see an overview of your loans, including balances and payment statuses. Identify the types of loans you have with Navient. If you have multiple loans, note their interest rates and due dates. Explore the repayment options available to you. Navient offers various plans, including standard, graduated, and income-driven repayment. Select a repayment plan that aligns with your financial situation. If necessary, complete any required forms for the chosen repayment plan. After submitting your plan, monitor the approval process. Check for updates on your dashboard regarding your repayment plan status. Next, set up automatic payments to help ensure you never miss a due date. Automatic payments can offer you a small interest rate reduction. Make sure to keep track of your payment history. Review your loan statements regularly for accuracy. If you encounter any difficulties, reach out to Navient's customer support for assistance. They can help with deferment options if you face financial hardship. Consider refinancing your loans if you qualify for a lower interest rate. This could save you money in the long run. Stay informed about any changes in student loan policies that may affect you. Lastly, always communicate with Navient if your financial situation changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.